स्वागत है आपका आर्यन ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज़ में। तो आज हम टीसीएस का एनालिसिस करने वाले हैं। तो इस एनालिसिस में हम देखने वाले हैं कि अब तक टीसीएस की जर्नी कैसी रही है, वो टीसीएस के स्टॉक ने अब तक का कैसा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है और उसके साथ उसने रिटर्न भी हमें कैसे दिया है। तो एज यू नो कि टीसीएस ये जो कंपनी है, जो आईटी स्टॉक में से सबसे बड़ा आईटी कंपनी है, जो ऑलमोस्ट लार्ज एरिया में आईटी का स्टेक होल्ड करती है। निफ्टी आईटी में सबसे ज़्यादा कैपिटल जो है, जो स्टॉक है जो होल्ड करता है निफ्टी आईटी में, तो आईटी टीसीएस इज़ द वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट आईटी कंपनी इन निफ्टी आईटी। सो यहाँ पे जो उसका स्टेक है, हम अराउंड गेस कर सकते हैं कि टीसीएस का मोर देन 40% स्टेक है। तो हमने डे का चार्ट लगाया है, उसमें हैकिंग ऐसी कैंडल का सेटअप किया है और एक ट्रेंड लाइन ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ कर चुके हैं हम। तो यहाँ से बॉटम से लेके अप साइड मूवमेंट तक यहाँ तक हमें एक ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ की है। तो हम देख सकते हैं ये स्टॉक विद द ट्रेंड लाइन को सपोर्ट करते हुए ट्रेड कर रहा है। एक इनिशियल फेज में वो ट्रेड कर रहा था समथिंग लाइक दिस। देन मोमेंटम देखे it respect to the trend line, it is giving the same momentum, is coming down to the trend line and again taking support below the trend line, nearby the trend line, and going up. And here we can see here after long time it's going and touches the trend line, but it respecting the particular trend line and again going up the momentum. Here you can see here consolidating and then again trying to uh, take a support on the trend line. Yeah, so here in the TCS, this is my favorite stock to trade. So almost I have last time I have invested around 10 lakh rupees in the same trade, and I have got a 70% of return, so almost all like 75,000. Yeah. So now again this stock is in my watch list. So I'm bullish in this trend. This is now taking giving us a reversal pattern for the same. So अगर हम यहाँ पे जाके चेक करते हैं, so let me go down to the particular stock. अगर हम इसको 1 आवर चार्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, then we'll see. Sorry. Okay. Okay, like this. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं इस चार्ट को, हम ऊपर जाके रेजिस्टेंस लाइन पे सपोर्ट ले रहा है। तो अगेन इट इज़ फॉर्मिंग अ रेजिस्टेंस हियर। तो हम यहाँ पे बताते कि देख रहे हैं कि ये एम पैटर्न फॉर्म करना चाह रहा है, समथिंग लाइक दिस। यहाँ से आके देन इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू गेट सपोर्ट हियर एंड अगेन इट विल गो बैक टू द पर्टिकुलर स्टेट हियर। तो यहाँ पे हम वहाँ पे ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक करने के बाद अगर देखते हैं यहाँ पे अगर कंसोलिडेट होता है, तो अगेन इट विल go upside taking support like this, and then it can be go up like the boom, the massive grace we can say. If it is not sustained in the particular areas, then it will again come back to the trend line itself and again going up like this. So this is the case with the TCS, we can say that. So this can be a case like we can say here, it will take support like this and go up. So for here, we can check out the candles that we have here. So currently it is trading at, sorry, so currently it is trading at something around 3485, and it is going down. It has already break the trend line to the downward directions, and it is taking support at here, something around 3400, around that 3400 or 3390 around. It's taken support at this level, and again going back to the trend. It is now, we can see here, we can check the particular candle. It's already break the trend line and try to sustain on the trend line itself. So now the stock will go from here. If we see, it will go from here to the particular trend itself. Right. From here, it is highly chances to go up in the trend and gives the good returns. So our entry will be like here, when it is consolidating in this particular area, like something like this. It is coming up and then taking support or something like this, or consolidating like here in this area. Then we will enter at this swing high particularly. So let me draw the particular trend line for this. So this is the trend line that we have. If it is sustained in that area, so we are going to take a trade in this particular stocks. Sorry, yeah. So here, I'm sorry. Okay, let me select this, yeah, like this. So yeah, this will be our entry, and it is go up. Let's see the target that we have from here. From here to here, we almost have around 12% of profit in the swing trade, and it is possible it will go up in this way, like as TCS has given a very nice result in Q2 quarters and second quarter. So we can miss that particular trend or the rally of the particular stocks. So it may be go to this level, and we can target for the 18% for the stock, and then it will retrace from the particular stock to the trend line. So here we can say that firstly we'll try for the this level, the all-time high. If it is break, it will go up to the 4185, 4180. So around that, we can set the target for these levels. Let me draw the targets, something like here 80. So this is our target levels, and first target will be on this swing high here. So firstly we can try for the 12%, and if it is sustained in the particular area, then this resistance will act as a support, and then again it's time to take a support here, and again it will go upward moment, like boom. So we'll see. So we can target initially for the 12%, and later on we can target for the 5% more. So here you can see the more 5% from here to here. Yeah, 4 or 5%, something around this. Yeah. So that's it. So TCS is a very good company, and you don't need to gather much when you are taking a trade for the particular TCS. So no need to worry about. It is also respecting the trend line, and your capital will be not get loss in particular trade. So no need to worry. You just take a trade on the TCS itself. Sorry. Yeah. and you just continue the particular ID and get the 12% of the profit in the TCS. So that's it. This is for the educational purpose that I have given the analysis for the TCS itself. So if you like this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and in future I will give you the more analysis videos based on the particular breakouts. So here we can see the breakout strategy used for the 12%. So this is the swing trade strategy that we are going to use for this trade, and this trade is only for the educational purposes. It is not recommended for the live trading or the real trade. It is just for the educational purpose. The people who don't understand the strategies in a swing trade, for those I have made these videos. So please, before taking a trade, please consult to your financial advisor, and based on that you can take the trade, but this is not recommended at all. So this is only for the educational purpose. Yeah, that's it from my side, and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.